Welcome. This is your knowledge base assistant. I'm connected to Notion and can help you quickly find documents, make updates, or add notes. What would you like to work on?
Can you pull up our remote work policy? I want to check the rules about working from another location.
I found the remote work policy. Here are the key points about working from another location. Employees may temporarily work from another location for up to 30 days per year, requires manager approval, must maintain core working hours aligned with their team. Would you like me to read more details from the policy or check anything else?
Does the policy state whether this applies to working remotely from another country?
The policy doesn't specifically mention international remote work. It only states that employees may temporarily work from another location for up to 30 days per year with manager approval. Would you like me to 1. Check if there's a separate international remote work policy? Look for any related documents that might address international work? Suggest adding a note to clarify this in the policy?
I'd like to address the comments towards people operations to ask whether this does apply to working abroad.
I've successfully added a comment to the policy page asking people operations to clarify whether the 30-day temporary work location policy applies to international locations. The comment is now visible in the document. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with Notion, feel free to ask. Have a great day!
Thank you so much. If we go to analysis and we scroll down to our last conversation, we can see a full transcript of our conversation with the knowledge base assistant, as well as the fact that the tool call was successfully executed and the response we got was also the right page in bringing up the remote work policy for all employees. Now that we're back on Notion, you can see that the comment was successfully entered here. As illustrated by this example, with Telnyx's Notion integration, your knowledge base evolves from static documentation into a living system you can query, update, and act on in real time.